Hi my loves, as you can see, these are my ingredients here. I want to prepare githeri. This is the homemade cooked githeri. Homemade githeri. And these are ingredients: onions and tomatoes, and we have salt here. We have salad here, that is oil, cooking oil, and then we have roiko. Okay, so I'm gonna use only these ingredients, and this is the cooking pot I wanna use. Yeah, and these then we stick. Okay, so let's start cooking. So guys, this is our onions. I already added the cooking oil and the onions, so waiting for it to brown, and then we add tomatoes, and then salt, and then roiko, and then we add githeri, and then that will be it. So guys, this is our onions. I think they are good enough. They have turned brown, they have cooked, so I wanna add tomatoes. Yeah, let's add tomatoes. Good afternoon guys, right now it's at 1 p.m. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing amazing. It's another day, it's a continuing video. Okay, so yesterday I came with some shopping, a little bit of shopping, that is impulse shopping to be exact. And yeah, oh, before I continue, so I don't know if you can see this outfit of the day. I'm just chilling in the house, I'm not going anywhere, but I wanna take my lunch, and then I wanna go out and look for some fruits. I wanna keep fit, and I'm having a little bit of, I'm having sore throats, and yeah, yesterday I had like fever, and but it's okay, I'm doing great. So I don't know if I'm gonna clean the house today, but let's see. But what I'm sure is I'm going to look for fruits because I need it right now. So without further ado, so let me show you what I got yesterday. Of course, I love them. So as you can see here, I got these. Able guess what it is? Is it even a guess? This is not a guess, this is just a cheap guess because you can see what's written here. So as you can see, it's written glassware. It's written glassware, and yeah, these guys I got from a certain shopping town, and I saw they were selling it in a very very cheap. I don't know if it's cheap or it's me who is hallucinating. Comment down below, because all these, it's coming in 6 pieces, and they were going for 600 shillings. These are glasses, the water glasses and the juice glasses at the same time. You can use it by drinking water or taking juice, as you can see here in the picture. So I'm very very glad, I'm very happy. Yes, I have other glasses in the house, but I thought, why not add? I wanted the wine glasses, but I did not find it because they were out of stock. So I decided, why not, let me take this, because the portrait looks like wine glass kwa umbali. But it's okay, let me do with this first, and then I'll be able to look for wine glasses. There are certain glasses that I'm looking for, and I hope one of these fine days I'll be able to find them. I want to pimp my kitchen. You know, I want to paint my kitchen. So this is it. I think I'm gonna let me slant these like this so that you can slant these like this so that you can be able to see what's going on. I think that is okay. I hope my camera won't do that thing. I hope the camera is doing justice. So let's unbox. Voila. It's just as simple as this. Unboxing is as simple as this. You can see, guys, see what's going on, see what's happening here. Look at it. And ain't they pretty? Let me remove this one. So you see, guys, see this. This is amazing. If this is not amazing, what is called amazing in life? Because this, I'm gonna make my festive season look so awesome. I hope I'm gonna invite my few friends to come and we take something of value from this glass. Yeah, see. So this is what I got. Let me just remove them. Oh my, let me not. Six, yeah. So as you can see, as I told you, I didn't lie. As I told you, there are 6 pieces of glasses in this particular carton, and they look like this. I love this extension going on here below, because let me show you. This is my previous glass, and it's kind of okay, look alike somehow by far. This is my previous glass. This is what I have, and I love these glasses so very much, because when taking water, you are taking a huge amount of water, because it's not a small glass and it's heavy, meaning for it to break it's not easy. And the same material is this one. It's the same material, actually. It's very heavy. I love these glasses a bit. Able comment down below in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about these glasses? Did I select the perfect glasses, or I went amiss? Let me know. So I'm gonna actually wash them, and I store them in the cabinet, the kitchen cabinet, and we'll be done. So guys, I don't think we're gonna continue with this video, because I think it's just enough for me to post, and then I do another video for the next for the next episode, okay? Or I do another episode for the next time, if you do understand what I'm saying. So guys, I think I'm gonna log out right here right now. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Comment down below in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about the video today. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. In case new videos arise, you'll be the first person to be alarmed. So guys, without further ado, let me see you on the next one. Ciao ciao. Au revoir.